Hey, good evening. This is Michael, Love and Freedom. Hey, today I'm actually headed over into Mexicali. I'm going over to Mexicali Baja, California, and I'm gonna be headed over to the zoo for the first time ever. And I've been wanting to go to this zoo for a very, very long time, but never had the opportunity to go. So I'm actually headed over to the zoo, to Mexicali Baja, California for the very first time out of all the years I've been living in Mexico, back and forth. Never attended the zoo. Always wanted to attend the zoo, but never attended the zoo. Well, today I'm headed over to the zoo. There's some me time, get out of the house and see if I can enjoy a little of the scenery as I venture off over into Mexico. So I wanted to bring you guys along with me. Hopefully I can bring you some good footage of the zoo in Mexico. I was told that the zoo wasn't too bad. It's nothing like the zoo in the States, but I'm sure they have a lot of good things that you will be able to enjoy. So this is going to be my first time, as I said before, going to the zoo in going to the zoo in Mexicali, Baja California. So you guys come along and let's go check it out. Today I bring you over here in Mexicali, Mexico. Over here, we're gonna go and check out their zoo to see what the hype is about their zoo. Another day above ground. Thank you, Jesus. Hey you guys, welcome today. I bring you over here. We're actually entering the zoo over here in Mexicali, Mexico. I'm gonna bring you guys along as I come over here and adventure right into the zoo. So you guys come on, let's go, enjoy. Come on. On it. La Love and Freedom with Mickey Mouse. Aquí está. La Love and Freedom. Mickey Mouse. Yeah. out here enjoying my life. Like I said, I'm out here in the zone trying to see what's going on. So you guys come on, follow Love and Freedom and see what else he has to offer. Let's go. The baby almost got pecked. Está bien groseros.
¿Sí?
Sí.
¿Sí hacen daño?
Sí pica.
Oh.
Bien groseros.
Mira el canguro como ves.
Ya sabes tú.
No, pues no te vas a poner bien cerquitas.
You got them all close right here. But if you put your hand in there, they'll peck the crap out you. Yeah. I took my mask off. As you can see, there's no one around me, so don't wig out on me that I took my mask off. There's no one around me. The mask gets very hot, so I had to come over here and take it off. There's no one around me, so don't wig out on me. Don't wig out on me. That's what I want to see. Let's go over and check them out. That's what I want to see.
Hello.
Saludos, saludos.
Sácala. Pro Mexicali Baja,
Ándale,
California.
aquí está mi tarjeta. Saludos, ¿cómo está?
Bien, bien.
Qué bueno. ¿Eres aquí? Juan, está bien, está bien. No, yo eres allá a Estados Unidos, pero aquí está mi canal YouTube, aquí en México. Mi tarjeta, a ver, tengo tu celular, tengo YouTube. Puse mi canal ahorita, no tengo más tarjetas ahorita. Saludos, gente. Ahí está la canal. Love and Freedom.
Thank you.
Okay. Saludos, gente.
Saludos desde
Ahí
la
está.
Ciudad de México.
La Love and Freedom. A la canal de YouTube.
¿Me regaló una?
Oh, sí. You come over here and you buy the food to feed the animals. When you get over here, you come over here and you purchase the food. And this is the food that you take with you to feed the animals when you come in. You spend, I think it's 10 pesos. ¿Cuánto cuesta? No.
10 pesos.
10 pesos por la comida, por la, cada uno. Un vaso por la animales. So you spend...
50 centavos.
¿Cuánto?
50 centavos.
50 centavos. Okay, gracias. So you buy the food, see how they prepare the food for the animals, and then you... Hello. Dile a la gente hola con mi YouTube, mi canal, Love and Freedom. Hasta mi canal. Love and freedom.
Thank you very much.
Okay, descríbete, ¿eh? También. Saluda.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Bye. Gracias. Hey, well, and like I say, you know, the people over here, they have a good time. They support you. You know, that's a good thing. They over here feeding the animals. They feeding cows. They feeding goats. The reason why I like about this zoo so far is they interact. They let the people interact with the animals, which is real good. You know, they don't let them interact with anything dangerous, but they let them interact and feed them, which is great. Great.
Liliana, cae más, mamá.
Got a lot of little goats. So they're the chivos. Mira los chivos. Mírala. Yeah, they hungry. They eating. No deja todo. Si sacan todo. Ay. He just gave all of it to him. And you know they have babies like, man, they got little babies all in there like babies they just not had. Look at that. Wow. Amazing. Yeah, I appreciate you guys watching and joining me. I'm over here at the zoo in Mexicali, Mexico, over here at the zoo. So if you guys make sure you hit that like button when you come in. Hey, he moving them. He said, come over here. There's a lot of them. We got some llamas over here. Let's go over here. Check out the llamas. Oh, we got the mean ostrich. Oh, pardon. We got the mean ostrich right here. That ostrich will pick you. Yeah. Look at that. That's a mean. Look at him. Shoot. You can have it. I ain't messing with him. Y'all see that? That's some mean things, boy. Nah, I'm good. Y'all can have him. I ain't letting nothing mess with me. Look at him. Ooh, look at him. He aggressive. Aggressive buggy. No, I'm good. No, yo paso aquí, yo está mío. Saluda a mi gente de YouTube. Saluda. Mira su crucero, no, yo no me gusta este. Ay, no. Compromiso. Aquí está mi canal, Love and Freedom, la YouTube. Que tiene chance de suscríbete y saluda a la gente con tu suscripción. Ok, bye. Ahí está la llama. This is a llama right here. Look at that. They got some big peacocks. You see those peacocks over there? Man, those peacocks are standing over there. They got a little goat right there. Look at the little goat with his horns on him. Yeah. The zoo ain't too bad over here. That's the first time all these years I've been living over here close to the zoo. I always wanted to get out and come over to the zoo, man. But I never had no one that enticed with me. I always try to get my family to come go with me. They don't want to go with me, so I took it upon myself and just came on my own, you know. Sometimes it's best just to get out and go. Yes, indeed. Great day. Not bad out here at all. The people are good. People very friendly. Having no problem at all. A very nice day to be out. Real packed. I really didn't, you know, like I said, I didn't have my ass on, but I try to keep it on when I'm around a lot of people. Saludos. Hasta la canal Love and Freedom. Suscríbete.
Very good.
Okay, gracias. Está el otro chivo. Mira. Look at them horns on there. Oh, no. I'm good. I'm good. Oh, okay, gracias.
Se me perdió.
Con permiso. Ay, perdón. Con permiso. Perdón. That's a lot of people. So I'm trying to get through. A lot of people I'm trying to get by. So as you can see, they are out here deep. Out here deep. And that's the same. That's a good thing. They let you interact with the animals. That's a real good thing about them. But the ostrich, they some mean jokers. I don't mess with the ostrich. Look at that. Oh no. Man, they aggressive. These some little greedy little jokers over here. What are those? Wow, what are those? I have no idea. Buenas tardes, saluda, saluda. Saluda mi gente en el canal, la YouTube. Aquí está mi tarjeta. Hasta mi tarjeta de Loving Freedom, la canal de YouTube.
Ok.
Dile a la gente, ¿cuánto tiempo trabajando aquí?
13.
13 años. Órale, está bien. Ok, gracias.
Ándale.
Bye. You can see way off in there, he's coming this way. It's a little, I think it's a little puma. Look like a little panther. Like a little black panther coming over here, but he's way over there. Trying to get him to come this way. There you go. There you go. He's in the shot right there. There you go. A black panther. He looks small, but hey, he's big. There you go. Here he comes. A black panther. Look at him. Ooh, woo. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. You hear that? Shoot. Okay. He ain't playing no jokes. What kind of smile? He wants some meat. They ain't eating. They ain't feeding him. Now we over here with the tiger. He laid back in the cut. He just kicked back and relaxing. He ain't got nothing to chase. He ain't got nothing to maul on. I wish I could throw him a bone, but hey, I'm sorry, buddy. Can't give you nothing. I don't know what they have over here. Oh, there we go. There we go. We got some look like Siberian tigers. Look like Siberian tigers over there. Yeah. Yeah, them the ones. Them the bad boys right there. Yeah. Now they ain't playing no jokes right there. Yes, indeed. Look at that. Oh yeah. They ain't playing no jokes. Them the bad boys right there. And we're gonna move over here to black bear. He's over here sleeping. Black bear. There's a black bear right over here in the cut. He's right over here, so you can see him. He's around the corner over there, peeping in on him. I'm peeping in on him. He's over there sleeping, hiding out. Maybe I can get a better shot of him over here if I go this way. I got a better shot of him right here. There you go. Better shot right there. There you go. He laid out. He laid out. Yeah. Wake up, huevón. Levántate, huevón. Levántate. ¿Tiene hambre o no? Levántate. He don't want to wake up. That's that huevón. What we got here? I don't see. We got, oh, this is a puma. We got pumas, but I don't see where yet. No. We got a puma right here. I don't see the puma. He hiding out waiting to eat somebody up, probably. He's not in there. We got the lion over here. The Leona. Leona Chiona. Leona Chiona right here. Hasta la Leona Chiona. What? Get on up off there, girl. Look at that. Get on up off there. I'm stretching all the way. I ain't gonna be like that. I ain't gonna be like that one guy. He was trying to feed him, stick his hand in there, and he ended up mauling him. Nah, we ain't going that route. He's over here chillaxing. Yes, sir. He's chillaxing. Oh, we got the big boy right now. We got the king of the jungle right here. We got the king of the jungle. That's the Ray. That's the Ray. That's the Ray right here. Look at the king of the jungle. Yeah, that's the Ray, king of the jungle. He's the king. Everybody trying to get in front of my camera. I can't even get it. Everybody stretching in front of my camera. There we go. Get on up. Levántate, huevón. Levántate. He said, yeah, you think I'm lazy. You get off in here, I'll show you what lazy is. That's what he's telling you. Get on up in here, I'll show you what lazy is. You don't want none of this smoke, he's saying. You don't want, there's another one over there. He's saying, you don't want this smoke. There's a nice little habitat over here. That's a bobcat. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's a bobcat. He over here making it do what it do. The day in the safari. Day in the safari. Up there. What we got in here? We got some coyotes. ¿Dónde están las coyotes? ¿No está? Las coyotes. I'm gonna make a little joke. The coyotes no está aquí. They were all over at the border. Crossing the people. Yeah, coyotes. No está. No está coyotes. They said no. Oh, mira, there they go. Oh, he trying to mate. That was that boy doing. He trying to get up on him. Oh yeah. See? He trying to get up on it. He trying to get up on it. Lobos. That's lobos. I mean wolf in Spanish. Lobos. You got two lobos over there. And that's wolf in English. It look like he's in heat. The old boy look like he finna get some business going on. Yeah. They making it do what it do. Moving right along, see what we got over here. Oh, we got another tiger over here. We got another. We got another one over here. A tiger. They got them separated. I don't know why they got them separated, but he must know it must be feeding time. Cause that one prancing back and forth, ready to eat. Yeah, we got it right there. Tiger. They ready to eat. We got some old baboons in here. Something over here. Let's move on over here. What we got in here? Then we got a baboon. Baboon. Where did he go? I seen it here earlier. I don't know where did he go. ¿Dónde fuiste? Oh. Gracias. Yeah, he over here. There you go. There you go, big boy, right there. Oh, that's Caesar. Caesar. That's Caesar right there. Caesar trying to see what the business is. What's up, Caesar? Caesar chilling. That's not Caesar. Caesar. Did he say Caesar? Hey, what's happening? What happening, buddy? What's happening, buddy? Hey, buddy, what's going on? Come on through. He's chilling, boy. He chilling. He chilling. That's that Caesar. He chilling like a villain. He don't care. He don't want that smoke. Yeah, y'all don't want that smoke. He coming down now. He's a sure. We gonna see what y'all talking about. All right, let's move on. See what we got. We got that's that Caesar. He don't want to talk. He said he ain't got no time. He said he covering his ears. Then you come over here, you got the smoke of the camels. Can't even talk right. Look at that. Okay. Doing a little something, something. Look at that. Moving right along. As y'all can see, man, it got hot. I had to take that mask off. It got hot, man. I'm saying I'm around these people, but it got hot. We out here enjoying this lovely day over here in the zoo. So we're still gonna be out here for a little bit. It's gonna close here shortly, so I'm trying to get as much footage as I can for you guys, let you guys see. I might end up having to come back another day and let you guys see the rest of it, but we're gonna try to get as much as we can, okay? Got an owl over here. Where the owl at? Oh, there he is, up in there. Hoo hoo. He said, hoo hoo, who are you? He don't want to talk. He said, hoo hoo. What we got here? We got some little, oh, that's some little feisty thing. I forgot what the name of these little thing called right here. I forgot the name of that little thing. That thing right there will tear you up, boy. Ooh, ooh. They will tear you up. Saluda, gente. Mi canal, YouTube. Hasta YouTube. Hasta mi canal. Love and freedom. Ay, perdón. Let's scribe it there.
Hey, un saludazo aquí para todos mis compas, los chivos de aquí de Mexicali.
Órale, órale.
Puro ruso, la verga. Rusos.
Dale, vale. Saluda. You can see the gente is already, the gente that was me out here filming. They respect that. They really enjoy being out there, showing the love and support that we're out here showing some love over here in Mexicali. So I appreciate them as well. Even everybody, you know, they like showing that support and love on the channel, man. And I'm very appreciative that they supportive like this, man. It's nothing but love out here. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. And that's what I think. That's them Longhorns, boy. That's them Texas Longhorns. Them big boys right there don't play. Them big boys right there don't play the radio. Look at them. Look at me over there eating, chewing on. Look at giving them a massage or something. Them big boys don't play right there. Yes, indeed. Them big boys don't play. Like I said, guys, appreciate you guys, man, showing this love and support. As always, man, make sure you guys hit that like button and show the channel the support. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, man. I couldn't do it without you. So it's been great that you guys are able to come out and show some support to the Love and Freedom channel. And we're gonna keep moving forward. We're gonna keep pushing forward. Appreciate you. Now we over here, we back at it. We're watching the buffaloes, buffaloes, as I was a hippopotamus. Man, I'm excited. I've seen so many animals today, man, and it brings me joy. I love seeing animals, watching animals. The hippos over here grazing, getting their chow in on them. That's some big boys, hippo. Thought maybe we were gonna see them in the water. They need to put some more water in there for them. Look at that, that water kind of low. Está bien sucio, huele feo. I know, no way, no. Hold on.
I want to say hi to my mom.
Okay, tell them where your mom at. Tell them.
My mom is here in Mexicali.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you want to give a shout out to anybody else?
Nah, not really.
That's it? Just your mom?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to shout out to Mexicali then?
Yeah, shout out to Mexicali.
Okay, gracias. As you see, the people that show a lot of love and support out here, man, and we appreciate them, man. Real smart birds. Man, look at those claws in there. Them claws, man, when they swoop down on their prey, they grab them with no problem. Look at, he looking at everybody, boy. Yeah, no problem. Now we're gonna enter here with all the birds. Let's go in here and see what they got up in here. Thank you, thank you. That's it. Oh, they got some flamingos. They got some peacocks. Oh wow, that's a nice one. That's a nice little bird right there. Oh wow, they got a nice little. Look at that. Ay, perdón. Está bien. No, está bien, está bien.
Mira qué bonita la tomé. Vamos a ir para allá.
We got the flamingos.
No, eso se llama.
¿Qué dices? Ando en el bosque. Ay,
Also, you can see at a distance over here, when you're coming over, if you want to do a birthday party over here, you can rent a little space to have a birthday party. What they call it, a piñata. You can have a piñata over here, a birthday party. The zoo is totally different over here than it is in the States. The zoo is more of an amusement park for real, for the people to mingle and have a good time. That's why I say they have more interaction with the people in the community over here at this zoo. It is a great experience. You must check it out. Must check it out. Saludos la gente.
Hola.
Hola. Aquí está la YouTube, mi canal, la Loving Freedom. Ahí está, suscríbete y la saluda. Mande.
¿Lo vas a subir?
¿De qué?
Va a subir el video para darle like.
Saludos.
Saludos, sí, saludos. It's been a great day out here at the zoo. I must say I really enjoyed being out here, spending some time clearing my head, even though I probably should have had me a little scooter, riding on a little scooter, but it's been great. Had to sit down a few times, but other than that, I made it through. Today over here at the zoo, it's been great. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch, and hope you enjoyed some of the scenery that I brought you guys. But I hope I'll be able to come back out here again in the near future and check out some more of the area. But like I said, enjoyed some of the scenery. Like always, it's been a pleasure to bring this footage to you guys over here in Mexicali, Mexico. And let me pronounce it correctly. Over in Mexicali, Baja California, Mexico. So you guys, I appreciate you watching as always. And to the next one. Bye now. Peace. One love.